morning, everybody. It is Saturday morning. It is January 8th or something. I don't even know what day it is today. Yep, June 8th. January. I don't want it to be January, but yeah. Yeah, but anyways, how is everybody today? I'm just getting ready to go out and plant that small field that I mentioned in the end of the last video. And I'm gonna put that in a small piece, and then I don't know, my first cousin, you don't think he came over here this morning, but I was in the tractor still sitting there. So he got up really early and worked that piece, and I just didn't hear him. But yeah, so I'm gonna go do that, and it shouldn't take too long here to get that small piece planted. And we're talking rain sometime, I don't know, this evening, so I don't know. They talk this and talk that. I don't know if they really even know what they're talking about. But anyways, I'm gonna get planted. I probably better just get out here and check the depth of the corn just to make sure, because they say you should do that whenever you go to a new field, is check your depth. So just gonna quick check and see, make sure that it's doing the same thing. It's a where is the kernel? Yeah, that's gotta be a kernel here somewhere. Well, sometimes in really loose soil it's hard to find the kernel. Well, I'll find it. It's just not showing up here right at the moment. Well, it turns out actually this one was not planting. Now I have one row of corn missing all the way down to there. Somehow this thing down in here didn't quite go in. I had the thing up, but it didn't go in. So we'll check another row here and see. Yeah, I found one kernel. Found one. So yeah. Yeah, well, it's about 2.25 inches. I don't know. That seems about good. So it can vary. It can vary depending on how it bounces out here, but I think that's good enough. It's an adequate moisture, so I'm not too worried about it. What do we have? I think it's the only rock out in the field. Oh. Oh no, I don't have a rock box. Well, am I gonna do? Well, I don't know. Maybe I'll set it in the corn planter. There. Stay put, rock. Whoa, it's windy out here today. Let's see if it stays on there. If we can stay on there until I get to the other end of the field, we'll be doing good. Oh no. What's in the way? Oh, electrical pole. Dang electrical pole. I guess I'll have to back up and do this over, or get over somehow. There we are. Oh crap. I hooked this poly wire. Oh, I hate these stupid. I have to fix this. I guess at least there's no cattle in here right now. That's one thing. I was just planting some ends right along here. I gotta keep planting over there, but I just hate these stupid markers. Ah. They always hang out so much. They're not like the newer ones, but oh yes, that's what you gotta do sometimes. Lock them up. Hit the fence or tree. What you gotta do. Okay guys, I've been done planting corn in that one field for a while now. I'm just taking the corn planter down the road and back, out back. Because we can't fit to the yard with it, obviously. It's too wide to get through there. So I'm just taking it back around, and I gotta put the bucket on here. We gotta use it for loading up the feed wagon, so. Yeah, all of a sudden all these clouds showed up, but I don't know if it's gonna rain or what the deal is. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do, get the bucket put on, and yeah, I don't know what we're gonna get done. I guess we're gonna drag that one corn. To get that first corn we planted, we're gonna drag it just to kind of kill any weeds off that might be coming before the corn comes up. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna get any more plowing done today or not. I forgot that we gotta spread fertilizer. We gotta spread fertilizer on that one field right up here that we gotta plant. I'm gonna be coming up there shortly. And just that one right there. And I gotta do that first, but it might be too windy to spread fertilizer. It's kind of bluster out, so I guess we can't start plowing it until, I mean, we could plow it and spread the fertilizer, you know, it's not a big deal, I guess, but it's just smoother when it's hay ground. But yeah, so yep, so anyways, I'm gonna get this in the hay shed for now, and get the bucket back on and get to the feeding. looks like it's gonna rain. Obviously there's dark clouds and the bred heifers are laying down too. Usually when you see cattle laying down like that, sometimes it means it's gonna rain. Yep, they're just laying down so they get rested up so they're ready to stand up when it starts raining. I don't know, that's just what animals do. Anyways, I'm going to go and try to hurry up, and there's a strip of oats that I missed when I was seeding up there. I'm gonna quick go and try to seed those. Here I gotta throw just a little bit of oats in the drill. It's only one pass. We're just gonna use one 12-foot section of the drill there, and let's get our buzz up there and quick put that in the ground. Well, hopefully when the rain gets here, it's not too far away. So that's what I'm gonna do next. Then I'm gonna go back to the feeding chores. Rain, rain, rain. Okay, I'm just seeding. I somehow didn't set the drill down here and just didn't get seeded. I don't know what happened in the chaos of trying to get this done before it was gonna rain. Somehow I must not set the drill down. And then that over there, obviously I did seed through there, but the water drowned it out, so I'm gonna run back through there and do that. So yeah, so that's what we're doing. I guess it gets the job done for what we need to do today here. The rain so far is holding off, so oh yeah, just can't wait till we can get a newer drill someday. I can't wait to get rid of this thing. It's just so it's seen its better days, that's for sure. Well, I got it done just in time. Starting to sprinkle out. Whoa. Yeah, just starting to sprinkle out a little bit, so yeah. Now I gotta go back to the feeding chores. I forgot to mention too, obviously I saw us fold out the drag. My brother's out there dragging or harrowing this cornfield because it's a corn and cornfield, and it's going to be a weed year, so we set the tines pretty aggressive so it can kill the weeds. There was a lot of weeds, little weed seeds coming out there, so yeah, I just thought I better mention that before I forget. I'm just heading back up to the shed here to put the drill back away, and oh, rain, rain, rain again. Well, my brother's gonna head out, spread another load of fertilizer again. So. Oops, I gotta throw these things away. Yep. So that's what we did. That's what we're up to. Sylvester. Whoa. Look at you. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat here. Just gonna drop the pallet forks there, and yeah, and I guess we can hook that back up to the plow. Now that we don't need it for disking right now, but actually this morning, or early this afternoon, my first cousin, he borrowed this thing again. He was disking on that one field that he was trying to get the corn off. He did get the corn off of it. He got it off in an untraditional way, but he got it off. Anyways, he wanted this for disking. So, anyways, he dished a little bit out there, but it was just still, the ground is still, it's too wet. It was just throwing up a lot of clumps, so he just quit. It just said there's so much moisture in there because in the wintertime the corn blocks so much snow. So he's just been having a real hard time. Needs a few more days of drying weather so he can disc, and he wants to seed oats in there. So I guess it is getting a little late to seeding oats. We were trying to encourage him to plant soybeans in there, but he wants to do oats. So I guess if he wants to do oats, that's fine. But yeah, anyways, he borrowed that, so we'll probably, maybe I'll grab a bite to eat, and then I'll come back out and I'll get the plow hooked up again. That's ready to go, because actually my brother, he's spreading fertilizer on that field, the next hay field that we have to plow. So yeah, they should really shine these things right up. Yep. Anyways, I gotta grab a bite to eat. I am starving. Okay, I was gonna go out and plow here in just a little bit, and then I noticed I was trying to, my brother unhooked it last night, and he put a pin in here, a bolt. Well, this was the bolt here, he stuck in here, and I don't know, I couldn't get it out, and I just ended up having to jack it up like this, and I got it out. Had to turn it out with the impact. But anyways, if you can see this, I don't know how well you can see it or not, but this here, right here, if you can see that, it's cracked in there. This whole piece here is attached to the main frame, and it's pulling away. So anyways, I called the welding guy. I called the welding guy. He's gonna come over tomorrow afternoon and look at it. Then maybe we'll take it over to his place, and he can get it welded and fixed up over there. It's just, I don't know why that started pulling away from there. I really don't, but I think it needs to be reinforced. Has some more gussets or some angle iron stuff put in here. So yeah, bummer. But I figure if we go out and try to plow with it, it's just going to it ain't gonna be pretty. This whole thing is gonna tear off, and this is gonna bend the cylinder, and it's it will make a mess. So anyways, I think we're just gonna have to call our quits for tonight. One of my cousin's kid, he's gonna bring over the hay head for the chopper. We're gonna buy a hay head from my uncle that he doesn't use anymore, and so he's bringing it over here in a little bit. So I got to get this moved out of the way here. I gotta help him unload it. So no more plowing for today. Maybe not till Monday. So I've noticed this plow is pretty heavy, but I've noticed there are some weak points on this plow. Apparently there's weak points, but this is one of them. So everything has its weak points. I don't know, maybe it's just because we're plowing hay ground and it's harder than like wheat stubble or oat stubble or just corn ground. So I don't know. Anyways, I gotta get going here with stuff, so I guess that's gonna be it for today, and I'll keep you guys informed on what goes on with that. We get it fixed, and yeah. So anyways, I gotta go here, so please like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Organic Dairyman. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks to everybody for taking the time to hit that subscribe button. I appreciate each and every one of you, and we'll see what happens here tomorrow. I know there'll be no more plowing until we get that fixed. So anyways, take care. I'll catch you later.